So elgo mo affected. Emre kakra ni omo ka ma sem radio so any TV so. Ni nyina enye no kore. Minku obi bia hye fridge mu ye. Eye ohin bi owo fete kakraba. Omo friend na ya kojoku. Ono eno company for ekokacho se mi meku nipa. Na ye hwe no ne hen ni to ho. O sorry ya na beku ohen no. Na chiri na so se koye ekobo amanfo pa. So munkoku esi amankwa na oye ohen wo fete kakraba. Ama sisi no ya charge ya kojoku no. Say attorney general charge no. Meda say onko no nko fisi. Me nko obi bia e.
So what Kasoa Millennium incident just say a boss so you need to one of them. A branch your friend Kwesi Eaiii or a chief land guard or Kasoa no the allegations be able to just say Kwesi Eaiii no okunimpa e the chef fridge. Na Kwesi Eaiii eba bontin ebe chechire ni nsem say ono no do so woni nya assembly a man so de obetumi ene wa atweman so efa no asase won sensem but going to the extent so all comfort to and also okokunimpa no e just say Kwesi Eaiii kire say nya dia wa ye bi pen ebusua Kwesi Eaiii e kan send me bring our video ni mu eya send it so mo me video say church so na yes sign embra back na say and no first time I share video say best friends subscribe na sign I share video e dey amai
so elgo mo affected. Emre kakra ni omo ka ma sem radio so any TV so. Ni nyina enye no kore. Minku obi bia hye fridge mu ye. Eye ohin bi owo fete kakraba. Omo friend na ya kojoku. Ono eno company for ekokacho se mi meku nipa. Na ye hwe no ne hen ni to ho. O sorry ya na beku ohen no. Na chiri na so se koye ekobo amanfo pa. So munkoku esi amankwa na oye ohen wo fete kakraba. Ama sisi no ya charge ya kojoku no. Say attorney general charge no. Meda say onko no nko fisi. Me nko obi bia e. Ana ye crime officer o Kasoa Kennedy. Ono no show ma say oye sadie no. Ono na Mr. Penino Okasa no kase police ni bi say Okasa ye be yi na di no crime officer Kasoa friend Kennedy. Friend Edusei division crime ono no Kasa asem no. Na de wo mnya ne say waji obi asase esidan wo so. Ama me kokan e wo kwawu land nipa ne yali stroke. Ama ye tron hu petition. Ena oyesa oba ye krom ha mi buku hotel man satan no be crime officer ye.
More fire.
Ama satan be crime officer o Kasoa. Ama mi ami buku hotel man ne da ye. Me offer say ko ne nche, oni me offer say ne ko da ye. Ama me offer say ni sesi a no otinifie e wo pekuma ho. Enyoma bebre awa ya minim se me pese Ghana police frame ni Kennedy no na yenya yenhia no hu no ko ono di omo nye ni papa pa echi ono di ya kojoku na waku nipa na desi ya sa charge ni medra e wo headquarters anti robbery squad na echi omo ke kan se bebre fame ho e ma ka ne bright oduro ekotu fun kra ma police Ghana police ko hwehwe mu se me maku obi wo senya na enye no kore ninya Kennedy no ayi eduse na oye division crime no ono na sha ase waye nyoma bebre aminim se Ghana police person mo frame ni ni mienu a I'm ready and now my penny person frame ni Kennedy na Kennedy eduse na me person mi share ono aye crime officer no se national security board
Ana yomi akwa sanjo no sanjan ko ya chimba ni so. So bi ya bani so. Akan bani so. Em bi bani so. Ana nya musu bai yana ko baje. Ade wo me. Robra. Akwa bani so. Ana bani so. Akwa bani so. Anu baba ni so. Abu so bani so. Abu baba ni so.
Test to land. Here we wish to take this opportunity to talk about the unfortunate incident which happened at the Millennium City area, which fall within Gumuafe Test to land. You may have heard that there was a shooting incident on Tuesday, 30th April 2024, around the Millennium City police station. It has come to our attention that such a regrettable incident which led to the death of Lance Corporal Michael Dansu occurred as a result of individual land dispute between a member of soldiers and a civilian. The alleged perpetrator, Nana Berima Abebiu, known in private life as Ben Lord Abebiu, happens to be the Jasihin of Gumua Bantama Millennium City, suburb of Gumua Fete, and a surveyor to the Gumua Fete Stu land. At this stage, we wish to once again express our deepest regret about the unfortunate incident. We hereby condemn such incident. Also, we wish to extend our heartfelt condolence to the Ghana Armed Forces and the bereaved family who have lost their loved one as a result of the unfortunate incident. We wish at this juncture to express our profound gratitude to you, ladies and gentlemen of the press.
Almost the soldiers, full army car with riflemen. Almost the Abbas Assassin say, almost be taking action at Yami. Me say, penny. Now, and now say, you tell what Chrome higher, where say I'm a property, almost you know, time at and say, buy ya, catch a soldier for and say, so almost pass from J buy in and tell me dia, almost so much in Omonco, because and your official, and Abaya Sassi, and a military land. Now, I can say military for an Ambra, no more assassin if you I am a property, I will defend it to the timer, Mehusampa, assassin. Or the woman from Fast House in the Bay. We know all of them. We have a picture of it, and we know where they are coming from. Smiler and a former by vice president, operation, director of operation, Edema vice president, or no use or no assassin, Nampo assassin, and you know Casanidio, or about 5 now mobi, while Jenny Pani 2 billion, and original say, or Bedia if you miss them. And see, may per Ghana phone you know who say, Subaya or done a DD, and to say the way a vice president, Ebabuana, survive in Nimudia, yes, Reno, Essence Renibium, or a penny, on friend Ebano, no Yanaka Satre, and Yasa Mboyina. Metro petition at the vice president office, and Nunie. Vice president, I refer me at the member, coordinator of national security, Oriano, or signed at the Ghana Inspector General of Police, area say Ghana Police Service. Besi na ya frame ne papa want to me in him, but our audacity to bring the military to come and harass us in my own property. Into Mesra by or Teso say, on fan and in qua same nimu na ombua na attention ne papa no enye juma. And what or the Miko High Court.